Hello, this is Jim from RONGWIN, Smart Custom Metal Solution to RONGWIN. Today, we want to share with you how one type of our guillotine shearing machine. We will show you our one type of economic and easy operate guillotine shearing machine. Now, let's show you how to operate this guillotine shearing machine. Okay, now firstly, we will start the power switch and open the controller system. This is one type of E21S controller system. This controller can adjust the back gauge programs and also can adjust the blade gapper here. Now let's show you how to operate step by step. This is the light line. It's easy for you to make the line cutting. Okay, now firstly, we start with oil pumper. Okay, now we open the this machine. So now let's show you how easy to use this. Firstly, just as we will show you how to adjust the blade gapper. For this, there is 3 modes. We choose to single mode, and we can adjust the blade gap here. Usually, the blade gap is the 10% of the metal thickness. This is 1.5 thickness. So now we can. This is in right. We can. This is the right. Okay, this is right blade gapper. Firstly, we adjust the blade gapper. Then we will teach you how to program the back gauge. This controller totally has 40 programs.
For you?
Totally have 40 programs. Each program 25 steps. Let's show. So totally have 3 steps. The first step, we program the back gauge 100. The second, 50, 30. The third step, 50. Now the back gauge move to the second. Now we finish the second step cutting. Okay, now we have finished 3-step cutting. Let's also teach you how to adjust the shearing angle. We can increase and decrease the shearing angle according to your metal sheet. Okay, this is very easy operate shearing machine, right? For the guillotine shearing machine, please contact RONGWIN. Thank you.